And to my Papa, thank you for your immeasurable sacrifice for us. For being a carpenter and tricycle driver for how many years? I know it is not easy, but I know that is your love for us. Papa, salamat po sa ilang milyong padyak ng tricycle at ilang milyong pukpok ng martilyo na ginawa mo para sa amin. Salamat po dahil hindi ka tumigil, natakot, nahiya, at napagod magtrabaho para sa amin. Salamat po sa pagmamahal na ibinibigay niyo sa amin. To my Mama and Papa, can you stand?